Uh, the other article is about John Cena. I saw him on Twitter and he's trending. Apparently, he speaks very fluent Mandarin, and it was because he was promoting Fast and Furious, Fast 9, whatever the new Fast Furious movie is, and he called Taiwan a country. And apparently, China wasn't too happy about that. So I was more surprised on the actual.
Did you just call
clip.
Taiwan a country, Will?
Yeah, I'm getting canceled already. But here's a clip. Hold on here. Goes. Oh.
Vin?
I was completely surprised.
所以在一个采访，我有一个错误，所有人
Man, he nailed it.
如果我可以用
They're like, you're in the middle of a controversy in mainland China. And he's like, oh, no problem. He's like, no problem, I'll fix it right now.
所以很多采访，很多 information， 我
So this blew up on Weibo in China, and apparently the way that he apologized is he didn't mention Taiwan, like him saying Taiwan is a country, and they were really upset about this apology. So I don't know what's going to happen, but
They're upset at the apology?
as well, yes,
Jeez.
because he didn't talk about the fact that he, about what he said.
Yeah.
He was just kind of profusely apologizing in this clip. And yeah.
So they wanted more. So people wanted more specific.
Yes.
They wanted words. They wanted certain words.
Yeah.
Well, you can get a type out of the. Someone did a translation, just the words. He says, I mean, it's like very, very, very sorry, and
I mean, this is if you go to Wikipedia right now, it says Taiwan.
Yeah,
Officially, the Republic of China is a country in East Asia. Neighboring countries include PRC. Yeah, I mean, come on, give the guy a break. I mean, what is he supposed to know about the extensive history here and sensitivities? He can speak Mandarin. Okay, that's pretty cool. But
give me the dollar figure if China cancels Fast and Furious 9.
No,
or whatever.
I actually think it already did well. What is it? Fast and Furious 9.
Well, I don't know if it's out yet, is it?
Yeah, I think
it is in China.
It is?
Yeah, I think it crushed already.
Like a couple $100 million?
Yeah,
150 mil or something?
Wait, am I Fast and Furious 9? F9? Is
yes. Yeah.
What? Yeah, John Cena. Yeah, John Cena. You got Vin Diesel, who's often compared to this Vin right here. I don't know if you knew that.
Uncanny.
You got Vin Diesel, Michelle Rodriguez, Tyrese Gibson, Chris Ludacris Bridges, John Cena, Jordana Brewster, Natalie Emanuel, Sung Kang, Michael Rooker, Helen Mirren, Kurt Russell, and Charlize Theron. That's who you got.
I mean, things go quick in China. If the word is stop seeing it, then that's it. It's a drop off.
Let's see. China box office. Let's see. No, I feel like there were 135 million.
Yeah, there's probably
over the weekend.
There's probably another 200, 300, 400 million to be made though.
200, 300, 400. Dang,
wow, how long has it been out?
Fast and Furious 9 dominating China box office
this weekend.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's hundreds of millions left still. They don't.
Yeah,
F9 clocks 163 million.
That franchise does really well there.
They love the fast.
It's easy. You don't have to talk. It's cars and it translates.
You got cars. It's easy.
Racing.
Yeah.
Things go fast in China. That's what Vin said.
Yeah.
Even Fast 9 goes fast in China. But I'm saying go see his movie. If you like the fast cars and you were into it before, his comment, I mean, come on. It's
give him a break.
Yes, he came on with the Mandarin as well.
That was the most surprising, at least to me.
Jeez.
But yeah.
He comes on with the Mandarin.